Hello everybody, we are going to simulate the BJT and to find its characteristics. New schematic. First of all, we will add NPN BJT. We will choose the first type 2M2222. Then we will add a current source, Ctrl R for rotation, resistor, and a voltage source on the collector side. I will add a label for collector emitter node. Choose R1K. Now we are going to edit the simulation settings. We are going to apply a nested DC sweep. 2 DC sweeps will be applied for I1 and V1. I will start with V1. Choose linear from 0 to 3 volts, increment by 0.2. The second source is I1 from 0 till 30 microamps, incrementing by 5 microamps. We are going to change the current for the current source, apply a 0 current and 0 volt for V1. Simulate. Now we should measure the current IC flowing from the node C till the node E for several values of base current. So here we can see the first view of the currents IC with respect to IB, but we should edit the x-axis. We will choose VCE axis. Okay, here we can clearly see the currents IB 5 micro and IB 10 micro. We will edit the y-axis. So here for a 5 micro amps IB, IC equals 1 milliampere. To view more currents, we should increase the voltage V1 . Run. So here we can clearly observe IC versus VCE for several values of IB. For example, for IB equals to 0, IC equals to 0. For incrementing by 5 microampere for 5 microamps, the current is approximately equals to 1 milliamp. The currents will be incremented reaching 30 microampere. Now I will do the same procedure But for the PNP type, choose PNP. We can move the old one aside. Choose the model you need. Right click on the transistor symbol. I will pick 2N3906. So here for the PNP type, all voltage, polarities and current directions will be reversed as compared to the NPN transistor. So we should make sure to flip all the sources we have. Flipping current source and voltage source. The current in the PNP will flow from the emitter to the collector, and the current of the base will be flowing outside the terminal. Now I will run the circuit. We will view the same graph, IC versus VCE. Measure the current on the collector side. And here we are going to change the axis for VCE. It is clearly observed that the graph is similar to the old one, but here the graph is flipped upside down because in PNP all voltage polarities and current directions are reversed.